Just got back doing a little practice. I wanted to show you something that I found out. Um, I found this. Gotta give this shout out to Jonathan Reeves down in Flowood, Mississippi, on this product review I'm about to do, product showcase I'm about to do on this cordless micro engraver. Um, I saw him using something to get, the dirt out the chassis screws of your car. And I know we can use, our X-Actos, but sometimes the X-Actos, break off in the screw, or either they don't get all the dirt out. So I saw Mr. Reeves over there using this little micro engraver that comes from Harbor Freight, $10. I would try to do something on a budget for my budget family. And yeah, he was using this, and also it comes with AAA batteries. Everything you need is in the pack, and also come with the hex wrench to remove the tip of the engraver. So it comes with the batteries. I'm about to show y'all what it does. It comes with the AA batteries. Everything that you need comes in the pack already. So throw these in here right quick. Not gonna use that. We just gonna use, if you don't want to use that, the Allen wrench that come in the pack. These right here. You can save this for your turnbuckle wrenches or something like that. But you can also use your 1.5 millimeter wrench to remove the head of your engraver. It's an engraver. So what we did with the engraver, his little button right here that works it. So what we do, instead of using your hex drive, your X-Acto knife, and dulling your knife and breaking the tip off the end of your knife, trying to get the dirt out the screw heads right here, you do this. Use the engraver, put it on the dirt. Just that quick, dirt is gone. Again, dirt gone, dirt gone, dirt gone. So just get the dirt out them screw heads real quick. Harbor Freight, $10. Micro engraver. Go invest, so you won't stress yourself trying to get that dirt out your heads. And also, if you want to just specialize your engines, you can engrave your name on the head of your engine with this also. See, like you see the Mernin engrave. That's what these engine modders use to engrave stuff on your engines. If they don't stamp it on, they use one of these to put their signature on it. When you go get it modded, this is what they use to put it on your head. This is what they use. A little engraver. Harbor Freight, $10. All right, RC Found. Just wanted to bring that to you. Keep bringing you the hot new stuff that's out there, that easy, simple, that you can use, put in your pit bag to get stuff knocked out, just to make your maintenance on your cars and stuff that much easier. Also, you can, get your starter box engraved, personalize your box, so it won't be no question where your box at, who got your box, or is that your starter box from other starter boxes that may look like yours. So Yeah, EKJ 24,000. If you ain't ripping, you tripping. Actions speak louder than words. Hey, just trying to help the RC hobby out. Little easy, simple stuff that we can use, tools we can use, stuff like this we can use just to make our maintenance and stuff easier for you at the end of the day. All right, now EKJ 24,000, and treat people the way you want to be treated. All right, y'all. Later.